Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. At first, open Chrome browser. Now tap on three-dot line. Now click on Settings. Now scroll down. Click on Theme. Now choose Dark. Successfully done. By this process, you can easily enable dark mode on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.